I need help, please. Would you like to open?
Your wheels?
The Holy Grail.
What car is this for?
Crack them open, you'll see.
Oh, I opened the wrong side. Ooh, they're for your Supra? Why are they so light?
Because we don't, here on the Devin channel, we don't run reps like Bobby does.
I don't run reps. Holy shit, those are nice.
Those are, say it with me.
Baller. They're for your Supra, right?
Nope.
What are they for?
One of the Evos.
Seriously?
18 by 11 plus something, probably around a 10mm offset. T37 Black Edition 2s. And these, my friends, going on the Widebody Evo 10. Ooh, spicy. You may be concerned, all right? We just put ZE40s on it, and then we ran it for a day. We put some rays on it. Literally the day I put the rays on it, these things popped up for sale. And I'm like, okay. 18 by 11s are a little bit better for the wide body car. The 10.5s are a little narrow. Half inch is a lot these days, you know what I'm saying? So we picked up some bad boy TE37s, and I'm stoked because these are gonna look good. The all black is a little too much black. These are like a pretty nice black, but they got some silver and some chrome logos, and they're gonna look sick. Okay, welcome to well, friends, this is the last time you're gonna see the 10 looking like this. It looks so sick, but today we're putting the new TEs on it, which is gonna look even better. You ready for this? Are you ready? Oh yes, that, my friends, that is beautiful. I can dig it. Gonna go ahead and pull the R888s off the gram lights and put them on the TEs. Another big reason why we did the brakes this charcoal color is because of the wheels. You can see this is a true gloss black right here. That is more like a charcoal black. All right, I know we all hate TEs usually, but how do they look on here?
God, I love these wheels. These are sick. I want to see the calipers. Ooh, that's clean.
I can dig it.
Yeah, that's dope.
It's either that or orange.
I think this looks better.
Yeah, I fuck with it.
God, I love these.
Now, my friends, this right here is the setup. They look so good on this car. I've mentioned before, TEs are, in my opinion, kind of an overrated, overhyped wheel. I kind of retract that statement because on the right car, they look perfect. These wheels are one of the easiest wheels in the world to clean, but to make it even easier, you already know we got to ceramic coat them with some Armor Shield 9, which I'll link down below with my discount code to save you guys $25 off of a kit. Look at that Brembo behind the TE. I wish we had center caps, but they're like $500 or $600. I might order them, I might not. They look really good on this car. I'm super, super hyped. No more wheel changes for this car. I know we've already changed the wheels 3 times. We've had 3 different sets of wheels on this car in the span of like a week. This is definitely the last set. Damn, that looks good. What do you guys think? The best Evo I've ever built? I think it is. May very well be. So being that we have the wheels coated, I'm gonna go ahead and coat the whole entire body of the car. The wrap is still brand new. It's in really, really good condition. Of course, it's still brand new, so it's perfect. So before it gets all destroyed and dirty and disgusting, I'm gonna go ahead and ceramic coat it. Very easy to do. Wipe the entire thing down with isopropyl alcohol and go ahead and slap down some ceramic. We'll be good to go. This thing will be titties for life. 2 to 3 years, I should say, not life. All right, the whole thing is ceramic coated and looks absolutely insane. This color in the sun is the most extravagant color in the world. I think we can all agree this car is coming out perfect, but there's one thing left on the car that is not perfect, and it is this super crusty trim up in here. It looks like trash compared to the rest of the car, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull that off. You don't have to, you know what? Maybe I'm not gonna pull it off this time. I always just take it all the way off to recoat, but this time I'm just gonna leave it on the car to show you guys it can be done. If you're an OG, you already know what product I'm about to grab. The one and only Cerakote Trim Coat. Stuff is amazing. I use it all of the time and it is cheap. This whole box is like $20. It's so cheap for how good it is. Also guaranteed to last 200 or more washes. Just gonna go ahead and get it cleaned up with some IPA. I should have probably done this before we ceramic coated the car, but we can get her done. You know what? I'm just gonna take it off. I feel like it's easier if you just remove it. All right, we got it all cleaned up. I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes, make sure all the IPA is evaporated, and I'll show you guys the magic. Y'all ready for this magic? If you're new here, be prepared to be amazed. Watch this. You see that? Easiest product to use. You just wipe it on and you are done. It's fully reassembled and look how good that looks. I just saved you guys, let me do the math. I just saved you guys $428.95. I guess we could subtract about $2 effectively for the single wipe we used. That cowl panel, if yours is destroyed, is $428. We made it brand new with the trim coat. I'll link it down below. You're welcome. It's an amazing product. This car is done. There's not a single other thing to do on this car exterior wise. Let's do one last little walk around and you guys can let me know if you think we should do anything else. Here she is. Here's the ass end of her. Don't mind it. It is aired up right now. I know I have seen a few comments about going to coils, but this thing's set up pretty nicely on the air. Front end, got the VLAN headlights. The T's look sick. All the Varus parts look sick. What else is there to even do? Let me know in the comment section below. You gotta pull up next to it. You have to do a compare and contrast.
Mine is ugly right now.
I know. I'm gonna make you an offer.
Like I gotta flip around?
Yep, gotta flip around. There we go.
Honey, I didn't know it was gonna be on camera. I would have put on the bra.
I like when you have no bra. Do you like the new wheels?
Oh, sheesh, those look good.
We're usually not a fan of TEs, huh?
Yeah.
At least I'm not. I always say they're kind of
They're just so simple.
But they look good on there.
Yeah, it looks fire.
Okay, here's the deal. One-time offer. Title for title. Why are you laughing?
Because I like black.
My car looks so much better than yours.
I know, but guess what? Mine will look better than yours when it's done.
She apparently doesn't want to trade her $5,000 Evo for a $50,000 build. Just now, wheels alone are worth more than your whole ass setup.
Why?
Because it's done. There's nothing else to do, so now I want to build yours.
No.
But I want to keep it for myself. No deal?
No deal.
Mechanic Bob out here. Bob has a broken Evo. What's going on?
I smell gas so bad. But I can't smell it in here.
Go take a glance at your fuel pressure. Let's see if it's erratic or not. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had fun finishing up this Evo. Gonna wrap it up here. Goodbye. Goodbye.